In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to code HTML in Replit 2025 step by step. If you want to build a clean, modern web page quickly without hand typing every single line, Replit's AI-powered agent is a great place to start. I'll walk you through using it to generate your HTML layout and then refine it through simple chat prompts so you can go from idea to working page in minutes. First, open Replit and start a new project. Click the plus create REPL button, then choose create with Replit agent. This tells Replit you want help from its AI to scaffold the project for you. It will spin up a workspace with an editor and a preview panel so you can see the site as it comes together. Think of this as your starting canvas and your live demo side by side. Next, describe the site you want. The clearer your prompts, the better your first result will be. You can say something like, build a modern landing page for a coffee shop with a navigation bar, a hero section, and a contact form using HTML and Tailwind CS. Feel free to mention the vibe, like minimal or bold, and include specific components you care about. If responsiveness matters to you, say so. The agent will use your description to generate the initial code, wire up the layout, and render the preview so you can immediately see what it created. Once the preview loads, it's time to refine. Use the chat panel to request changes in plain language. For example, say make the header sticky so it stays visible as you scroll, or add a dark mode toggle to switch between light and dark themes. The agent will update the code, explain what it changed, and refresh the preview. If something isn't quite right, be specific about what you want adjusted, colors, spacing, text, or interactions, and keep changes focused, one or two at a time, for the best results. You can also ask the agent to simplify sections, improve accessibility, or adjust the layout for mobile. If an update misses the mark, ask it to revert or try a different approach. And if you're curious about how something works, ask it to walk you through the changes so you learn as you build. That's it. Select the agent, describe your site clearly, and iterate through chat until it looks and behaves the way you want. With this workflow, you'll turn ideas into HTML rapidly and keep full control over the final result.